नमस्कार। सबसे पहले मैं सिर्फ एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा कि ये काला चश्मा पहनने के लिए मैं आप सबसे क्षमा मांगता हूँ। क्या है कि मेरी आंखों में इन्फेक्शन हुआ है, पर आज इस शुभ अवसर पर मेरे दिल में सिर्फ अफेक्शन है, तो प्लीज़ डोंट माइंड। सबसे पहले मैं अरुण जी से बात करना चाहूँगा। सर प्लीज़ बैठे रहिए। सर, आपने इस जिम्मेदारी को सालों से इतनी खूबसूरती, सच्चाई और डिग्निटी से पेश किया है। आपका ये सफ़र मेरे जैसे एक्टर, सिर्फ मेरे लिए नहीं, आई थिंक हर इंसान जिसने भी रामानंद सागर की रामायण देखी है, आपने उनको भरोसा और प्रेरणा दी है। जैसे आपने भगवान श्री राम को अपने अंदर उतारा है, अगर मैं इतना भी कर पाऊँ तो मेरे लिए मेरी मेहनत सफल रंग लाएगी। बचपन से सर भगवान श्री राम का आशीर्वाद, उनकी सीख और आपका चेहरा अपने दिल में रखकर बड़ा हुआ हूँ, और उसके लिए आई जस्ट वांट टू से दैट वी लव यू लाइक यू आर आवर ओन, एंड थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग सर।
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लेटिंग इट सिंक इन दैट मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकती थी, पर अगर मैंने कुछ गलती से बोल दिया तो माफ़ कीजिए। इट्स नॉट ईजी फॉर एक्टर्स टू गेट रोल्स लाइक दिस, बिकॉज एक भगवान, एक गॉडेस को प्ले करने के लिए इतना एक ईजी काम नहीं होता है। एक टीम होनी चाहिए who is putting their heart and soul into making it the best version of what they can present to the world, because it becomes itihas, it becomes history for the rest of the world to think or go back to in the future. So ऐसे एक project में मुझे चुनने के लिए thank you so much. And when it comes to playing Sita Ma, I don't think I chose the role. I think I was blessed to play this role, because it's not something that you can go after, and it is not something that you can write down on a piece of paper and say, this is how I'm going to play. I would just sit and meditate and say, Sita Ma, you act through me. Whatever comes through me is what you want for the film. And I was always keeping myself as pure as possible, at least in my thoughts, to keep it very neutral so that I have the best version of me presenting there. And उस कोशिश में मुझे लगा कि मैं बहुत कुछ सीख लिया। ठीक लगा?
Going good.
Thank you. I think from what we saw right now, and today is a very important day for all of us, because I've worked on the film for maybe 3 years, but they've all been on the project for more than
Almost 10 years.
10 years now. So इस दिन बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है हम सब के लिए। So I'm as excited and as humbled, and I think it's a very important day for all of us. Thank you so much for sharing this day with us.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, అందరికీ నమస్కారం, వణక్కం, స్వాగతం, namaskar. So I'm really happy to be part of this wonderful project. I think सब हिंदी में बात कर रहे थे, मैं भी कोशिश करूँगा, because इस मुकाम तक आने के लिए all credit should go to Namit Malhotra. उन्होंने मुझे इस पात्र निभाने का जो अवकाश दिया, उसके लिए उसे धन्यवाद कहता हूँ। हिंदी सीखने का भी मौका मिला उसमें। Yeah, so I think this is India's dream. We all have come together. Everybody in this film who has been part of this film is really come with one vision, one conviction to put our story to the global platform. So all of us are here keeping all our interest aside. We have only one interest, to tell Prabhu Sri Ram's story to the global audience, and also to celebrate him in our country. So thank you Namit for having this courage and this conviction. And Nitesh sir, thank you so much for guiding me and understanding me the characters' nuances and helping me do this. So thank you all. And Ranbir, you've been phenomenal, and I think whole of India will understand how you have surrendered to this role and what magic you have created. And Sai, of course, she's a fabulous actress. And, to see her perform Sita's role, you have to see that her eyes says it all, and each and every actor, our Surpanakha, the way she has carried that role. I have heard this story. I should remember my grandfather today. I heard this story, but each one of them, Shobana ma'am, I think it's her luck that she agreed to do this role because she brings in so much grace and value to the role. Of course, our Lakshman Bhai. So he will be a very surprise package in this movie. I think all of us will become his fan. And each and every person, apne Vivek, he and we, both of us had a great fun. I think you have a lot of surprises in the film. And sir, आपका voice और आपका performance. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.